Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 4x5 black and white film, and this is my subject, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter code to find edges. This is not pineapple. Well, one of the pineapple, I think so, but a little, maybe the flower of that, not for eating. I think that's pretty small, and I don't know anything about this plant, and I don't remember the color. I don't know. Based on my remembrance, I don't know. I'm gonna imagine some colors on this plant. Well, I want to make something interesting, illustration type image. Maybe that's pretty interesting, design wise, graphic wise. So I want to try something colorized first for today. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna move this empty layer in between this pencil drawing type image and base black and white image. Then I'm gonna coloring on this. Okay, use that colorize, no texture of the brush, just basic to soft round opacity. Okay, well, many people knows what the colors are, almost, not quite precise colors, I don't know. But I can imagine, use my imagination to add some colors. This makes interesting. Oh, okay, by the way, I'm gonna change the blend mode, normal to color. Then let's see, I think a little more dark greens and more yellows. Well, that's kind of fun. Not like that. Maybe much more reddish. Just imagination. Nice to have some magenta-ish, pinkish leaves or something. Then turn into some reddish orange. This area is pretty nice, isn't it? Kind of interesting colors. Kind of as if real plant has this kind of color. Well, new type of the plant. Okay, go for background. Okay, I'm gonna more reddish color on this pineapple, little one, little pineapple. Yeah, it's more orange. Nice little accent of the blue colors. Very interesting, isn't it? Kind of accent. And I want to add some more orangish, reddish. Well, I never seen this kind of plant, but I kind of think there is somewhere. Okay, I'm going to use smudge tool. Let's use same brush texture, soft round opacity. Okay, kind of subtle colors, huh? But let's see. Little more yellowish color on. I kind of imagine this sun is hitting here, highlight side, but there is not much density on this here highlight area, so I may add layer. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna add layer in normal blend mode, then add some yellowish color. I think there is a direct sunlight hitting from the left side, huh? That's why there's a shadow around here, and then I'm gonna add some bluer shadow cast. That's on here, color blend mode. Alright, this is normal blend mode. Add yellow. Not much. Okay, but this one has lots of color. Yeah, okay. Now let's see about here. This one I need to smudge, huh? Okay, this is more yellowish. There we go, around here and around here. Okay, then I want to add bluer color on this color layer. Then smudge. Okay, almost. Now let's see if I change this pencil drawing type image, turn it on, then change blend mode to color burn. A little bit darken. That's very interesting. How about overlay? Pretty interesting. Yeah, illustration type image. Luminosity. That's pretty interesting. Maybe color burn. That's pretty dark image. Well, today I want to concentrate on colorize. So bring this one back to normal then turn it off to keep it. Now I want to add this color, right? Then let me see, if I duplicate this layer, its color, 2 color layers, color blend mode, so goes kind of double the colors. Okay, double the colors. So if I turn it off, they're much darker. Too much greens on background. Then I make mask, invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this pineapple thing with the, let's see, mixer brush, maybe Monet mixer. Let me see, and reveal with this. Just a touch. How about change this to color burn? Oh, goes dark. Yeah, that's cool. Well, that's interesting. I think that's it for today. What's gonna happen next? Okay, never seen this kind of plant. Okay, this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video, adding colors and changing blend mode, and duplicate color layer to darken colors. Well, I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and let's be creative. Adding color, make a black and white image to change coloring. This is pretty much fun and exciting. Some kind of image never seen. Well, thank you again, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.